right, the My Homework page. We will be on page 161, relating division to multiplication. They have an example for you in 3 different ways. So I gave 2 of them on my screen, which is using a triangle. Remember 3 numbers. The biggest number goes at the top, so they have a 20, and then I have a 5 and a 4. Then they used those 3 numbers and created 4 number sentences and created their fact family. I also put a note on the screen in red that the big number goes first when writing a division sentence, okay? And then they also put the numbers into groups. So they had 20 dots, and they have 5 groups, and there are 4 dots in each group. And that is how you get all 3 numbers for your family, fact family, okay? Number 1, write a fact family for each set of numbers. So they give you the numbers for number 1, 2, and 3. All you have to do is write your fact family number sentences, 4 of them for each problem. So if you forget how you need to do that, it's up on the screen. 2 multiplication sentences and 2 division sentences. Pause the video until you're ready for number 4. Number 4 on the back side, page 162. Directions say divide and write the related multiplication fact. All you're doing is filling in the blanks, and if you're not sure how or what the answer is, use the multiplication chart to help you. Pause the video until you are done with 4, 5, and 6. Number 7. Use algebra. Find the unknown number in the equation. Use a related division fact. So the word equation, I've never used that for this lesson, even though that's a new term they're throwing in. Equation is the same thing as a number sentence. It's just interchangeable. You could say number sentence, you could say equation. So when you hear equation, think of it as, well, there might be an unknown answer in there. They might throw in a letter. And they did. Look at this for number 7. 4 times B equals 12. The B doesn't mean anything except that it's a blank. We don't know what it is. They just threw in a random letter to show that we don't know. So your job is to find what B equals. Use the multiplication chart to find out. Solve 7, 8, and 9. Pause the video. Number 10. This is a vocabulary check. Listen to this sentence and choose one of the 2 words on the screen. You have the words unknown and fact family. Choose the correct words to complete the sentence below. Here it is. A group of related facts that use the same numbers is called what? An unknown or a fact family? You choose, write it in the blank, pause the video. Number 11. Julian places 8 books on each shelf of a bookcase. If he shelves 32 books, that's the total number of books. How many shelves are needed? So now you need to ask yourself, do I need to multiply or divide? I'm not going to give you the answer because I want you to know the difference. If they give you the total number, you can put that in your number sentence where it belongs. Think about it. They give you the total, and now you're breaking it apart into 2 pieces. We have the 8 books. We need to know how many shelves. Pause the video. Number 12. There are 15 cats ready for new homes at the pet store. There are 5 cages with cats in the store. If each cage has the same number of cats, how many cats are in each cage? They give you the total number of cats. You're breaking it down. Are you multiplying or dividing? Pause the video. Number 13, the leaves of a poison ivy plant are found in clusters of 3. One poison ivy plant has a total of 21 leaves. How many leaf clusters does this plant have? Pause the video. Number 14, a local pet store has a total of 72 fish in 9 tanks. Each tank holds the same number of fish. How many fish are in each tank? Think of the symbol you want to use, multiplication or division. Put your answer. Now, I have a question for you, and I want you to come to me and tell me your answer. I've kind of left it open, and I might have told you the answer in person, but I want to know if you remember it. For numbers 11 through 14, I did not tell you whether you needed a multiplication symbol or a division symbol. And I'm sure that made your anxiety just a little bit high in the fact of, oh no, I have to decide what if I choose wrong. My question for you is, and come to me and tell me the answer, do I have to choose one particular symbol to get the right answer?